In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix MS Teams sign-in problem. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is make sure you are entering the correct email and password, especially if you have both work and personal accounts. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or try a different network. Update the app to its latest version. Launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app, MS Teams. Once app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, first close the app, launch it, swipe up, then close it, again relaunch it. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next, make sure you are not connected to any VPN. This might also cause the issue. Finally, if nothing works, it might be a temporary service issue with Microsoft servers, so waiting a bit and trying again later can help. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.